How to install Bigo Live app? Alright, let's go. Wanna stream or watch live phone content? Here how to get Bigo Live. First open your Google Play Store if you are an Android user. Now tap at the search bar and type Bigo Live. Bigo Live. And boom, you will see it pop up. Look for the white icon with the cute dinosaur mascot. Tap install. And yup, it's totally free. Once it's installed, tap open. Now Google might ask you for some permissions like access to your camera, mic, or location. Just tap allow if you are cool with that. Time to sign up or log in. If you use a phone number, Facebook, Google, or even Apple ID, pick whatever easy for you. And just like that, bam, you are inside Bigo Live. Start exploring live streams, go live yourself, or just vibe with creator around the world. If this helped, give it a quick like and hit subscribe for more tutorials. Catch you in the next one. Happy streaming.